10 things worth knowing before you buy a new front door, counted down to the one that matters most. From Axiom Eco Homes. At number 10, the material. Composite doors are the popular middle ground. A fitted composite door typically costs £900 to £1,800, lasts 35 years or more, and needs very little upkeep. uPVC is cheaper but plainer. Timber looks best on a period home, but it needs repainting every few years to stay weather-tight. Number 9. Check the U value. A replacement door has to meet building regulations, which means a U value no higher than 1.8. A good insulated composite door reaches around 1.0 to 1.2, so it loses far less heat than an old timber or single glazed door. At number 8, the cylinder matters most. Most break-ins through a door target the lock cylinder, not the door itself. Insist on a TS 007 3-star or sold secure diamond anti-snap cylinder. It is a cheap upgrade that defeats lock snapping, the most common forced entry. Number 7. Look for PAS 24. That is the UK security standard for doors. A door certified to PAS 24, ideally with secured by design accreditation, has passed real attack testing in a lab. It is the single clearest security signal to look for on a quote. At number 6, multi-point locking. A multi-point lock bolts the door into the frame at 3 to 5 points when you lift the handle and turn the key. It is standard on modern doors, and it is far stronger than a single deadlock. Check it is fitted and that it engages smoothly. Number 5, weather seals and draughts. A door is only as good as its seal. Quality compression weather seals stop drafts and rattle. A drafty door wastes heat and is the most common complaint after a cheap fit, so check the seals close evenly all the way round. At number 4, glazing is a weak point. Any glass panel in the door should be double glazed and toughened, or better still laminated. Decorative glass looks great, but thin single glazing near the lock is both a heat loss and a security weak point. So ask exactly what glass is being fitted. Number 3, smart locks are useful but not essential. A smart lock adds keypad or phone entry, and it is genuinely handy. But it is a convenience, not a security upgrade. Make sure the mechanical lock underneath still meets PAS 24 and check what happens when the battery runs flat. At number 2, the fit beats the door. A brilliant door fitted badly leaks both heat and security. Most door problems we see trace back to a poor installation, not the product itself. A clean, square, fully sealed fit matters more than the brand on the slab. And the most important, number 1. Use a FENSA or competent person scheme installer so the work is self-certified against building regulations and get 3 itemized quotes. It is the simplest way to avoid overpaying and to get the certificate you will need when you come to sell the house. Get those right and you'll buy once and buy well. Full guides over at Axiom Eco Homes. Subscribe for straight-talking UK home advice.